Alright, guys, what's going on? So, just fixing my little issue I was having on the bike the other day with the bolt broken. The motor mount bolt broke. Replaced all the motor mount bolts. So, got rid of that sound. And went with a new chain. Blue, took that disgusting red thing off that was on when I brought the bike. Bike, no more clanging. Let's see. Had to adjust my clutch a little bit. Remove the cover here. We was just trying to clean it up a little bit in there. Went through all the gears, everything still shifting fine, no clanging when you're shifting gears. But what it was is the actual motor itself, when I was hitting the gears pretty hard, the motor was shifting and was making a loud clanging sound. So got that situated, all brand new motor mounts, bolts in. But I did notice I was riding and the wheels got a little bit of a bad spot in it right there. It's a little bend. I don't think you'll probably be able to see that. But you know, that's one of the reasons why I bought this bike and bought it used. I knew it needed a little TLC, but you know, I've been giving it just that. And like I say, the bike runs fine, but there were some things that I should have been aware of. You know, gave it a little bit more thorough look over. Let's see, added some more coolant. After the coolant flush it, I guess once all the air got out of the system, my reservoir bottom was a little bit low. But that's taken care of. See, all my motor mount bolts are tight and freshly installed, so we got no more movement of the engine. And let's see, runs great. Just got to put him back together. This is my current situation now. We're expecting Tropical Storm Helene, or whoever she is. Why they always named after females, but I guess I do know why, but I won't say it on here. But so I won't get to ride and test it out and everything. I love that new blue chain on there though. Just brings out a little bit more. I got to get the fairings back on. They just, you know, laying around. I'm kind of wanting to go with a black scheme on it now though. I'm thinking. I think I finally got the chain adjusted right as well. I hate messing with those things, man. It's back and forth, one side to the next, trying to get it just right. I got the travel right, but once I put it down on the ground, you know, that chain is what allows the suspension to work. If it's too tight, then all of your weight is bearing on the chain when you're hitting bumps and everything. So you have to get that just right. So once I put it down and get to ride it, I guess I get a better idea of where it's at, but I think it's pretty good right there. I did manage to go up and down the road once before the rain started back up, but anxious, man. I can't wait to get back out there on the road. Ever since my little boat broke on me, I really hadn't got back out there with it yet. I had to wait for new boats to come in and everything, but got all the parts and everything, got it put back together. I had to put something under the motor to kind of hold the weight off of it to make sure all the holes lined up perfect and everything, but did just that. It'll be fine. But I do need to get me some more of the little clips, the little push pin thingies. I noticed my area here, it might just be loose. I'll get in there and look at that in a minute. It's the only day I've had off in a while, so I figured I'd come out here and tinker a little bit. But just ready to get it back together now. Hope it stopped raining for a few I don't care if it's not completely dry. I will take a minute just to try to get up and down the road for a second just to make sure everything's how it should be. But yeah, that was the conclusion of the broken bolt on engine. I don't know why I keep saying motor mounts. I'm so used to working on vehicles. Motor mount bolts. Motor mount is engine mounts, bolts on the bike. I try to, just say something different. I don't know. But yeah, give you a little, ain't a cold start. Ain't do anything to the engine. Like I say, the engine's running fine. Didn't have any issues with that. But I don't know why the engine mount bolt just broke like that. Oh yeah, baby, ready to go. Yeah. Get the chain straight. I just want to go for a ride. Too bad. Can't today. But hopefully the next video I'll be out on the road. Trying to learn how to do a wheelie maybe. I want to so bad. I'm just scared. I don't want to tear up nothing and have to put more money into it or not be able to ride because I done tore something up. But hey man, bike life dude. Bike life.